I know they like Walla, Seba, Seba, oh, Seba. I know like Kazala, Seba, Seba, oh,
hey, no money now, what is that? No. You don't know what to give you. Let me check out. I tell you no money now, what is that? I get to give you.
Busola, where my money? What? Where my money? I go give you. Where my money? I go give you. You go. Where my money? Money where you allow me go collect for you. Money. I say I don't go leave her until she give me all the penny what she owe me. I don't want to touch me again.
Hello. You say wetin? You say come on. I dey come. Give my money. Nakelo.
Titi, what the fuck from this place? You think I'm out to take a visa from this place? You think I'm out? Titi, fasala from this place. You think I'm out to fasala from this place?
Wetin dey shele? Wetin dey para? Dey mad. Wetin dey shele? Dey craze.
Make I explain. No be solo people can explain. You see this your sister? She don't be better person at all. You know how much she carry me? Go collect from loan app. 1 million naira. Because I tell her say I get good credit with them. Say I fit collect 1 million. Now sister beg me. Make I ever collect the money. I go ever collect them. For over 2 months I never hear anything from her. You know they go happen. They don't need to stop me now. And my grandmama for village they go call. No one nearly buy. Because of the money. Because of this your sister. My grandmama nearly buy. Because of I go give her. Give her beg. Now your sister. Osas and beg.
I go plan.
Now your sister. Now your sister.
She go heaven.
I beg leave her. I beg leave her. I beg.
I beg you get power like this. Wait.
I beg leave her.
You get power like
this. I beg leave her. I beg leave her. Beg.
Yeah. Stop to give people my number. Now the same papa we care, but don't be the same papa. You already too much. I'll dive you now.
Osas, don't go. Where my money? Where my money? Where my money? Where my money? You go give my money today. Where you go? I go give. Where you go? If you don't give my money today, I go send everybody on my shop. I go send everything. I go give my money. You don't come now. Please come give me that.
Babe, where you dey go now?
You don't forget say I get work to do, Abi.
But you promised me food day. I even pack my keke na pep for you.
I don't understand. Man no go work because of say I get babe.
Sorry, no vex, sorry.
Don't forget say you still dey under probation.
You never finish. We never make up.
You go.
Oh, don't suck where I suck, you no reach.
And where you suck. No dey sweet again, sef. I don't work out.
Pop. And what?
Aworaja. Say to me.
I don't know what you see for that brother body. Onanak. How Lord, my destiny. You don't make me say, where you do on this side, I be that side.
This kid on the really the Chris. It bless you be what they do you. Wait till you the 5 mass.
I can't greet my sister.
Who be your sister?
You now.
They really you be your swore. If not be that stupid papa, we born us. Wait to go tie us together.
Hey, Osas, never forget for this life, say water thick blood is thicker than water, imagine sure or so. All your family well. In the end, now only them you go see.
I better shut up. Wait. Why you bring this back?
Egba mi tori Ọlọ́run. I know if you carry back, come see my sister again. If it's gift that is inside, nko, what if I have gift inside?
You dey try moving.
I can't see you. And I know they go today.
Okay, Busola, space no day for you to come see me. Carry your bag, they go out.
I can never do that. Now my sister, you be, I know if you carry anything, come on.
Busola, I reject you.
I accept me.
Busola,
ma?
Come on.
You go. If you go,
Busola, I don't even get your strength. Come on.
Why you don't take and do anything no good? You don't take and fornicate. You don't hang your leg, everything for you won't get straight. Better sleep, make me and you lie down.
Bala. Food day. Hey, Teba.
Wazua.
Tanya.
What you coin? What lady? What did you? You did Chris?
I think say they praise me as they talk. It was Zua, it was Zoko, it was Zeki. I know say they cost me. Sorry, but true, I need food.
Hey, I beg. I hope say that text where you sent to me, you don't tell me say you want to come up from my ass.
Osas. Oh, Papa don't die. Ah!
Papa will never see how many years. I beg Shifty. He never died for my man.
Osas, don't be the matter be that too. Ah! You go.
See, I beg. I use God to beg you. You just stay my ass 3 days. You don't overstay your wake up. Pack your things. Carry your things. Come up from my ass.
What did they do? Now, person even get this for you. Don't want to hear this. You don't even ask me how I tell no say he die.
Now gossip. All you do now gossip. Work you no get. Money you no get. No be gossip you dey gossip. But it concern me how you say no.
You go hear gist abi you no go hear gist.
You go talk the gist abi you no talk the gist.
Like bono. Anyways, your papa, my papa, our papa.
Which kind drama be this now? Wait.
Na millionaire.
Okay.
Bring your phone, I show you something. Bring your phone, I show you something now. Let's go to test what you don't believe. They updated, you know they updated. You they use iPhone. If you say when they use Palace, I get update past you. Shora here. Kenny. See when I tell you, you no believe. Oh, sure. I bet you don't die. I
bet come over here. Perfect. It came on me like that.
Our papa. My own papa. Millionaire. No be that man wey my mama dey feed so tey he almost started to drink her blood. You sure say no be his twin brother be that way there? But Busola get sense na. At least that na the only thing wey dey that her yeye brain. She no fit do business, but as far as say na book, he get am. So you mean say this man disappeared 35 years ago? Go become rich man? She don Pedro. Yeah. What to do again?
You no sleep. How I want to sleep? With that kind of bomb where you drop. I want to sleep. You should stay with you if they talk to you that true.
Sister, I don't tell you. No be the matter we the important be that. The main thing be say he don't die.
Sit down and call me.
We go benefit for him death now.
Benefit us?
Yes, now.
How person wey don die fit benefit us? If he wake up for a grave, they find us.
Find us for waiting we be picking. We lost. Person wey no find us for over 25 years. Even if you wake up, you go find us now. Go school, you say no. Read book, you say no. Now you no fit even tell person go take benefit for person we die.
You wey go school, wetin you get? You drop out for secondary school, wetin you get to show for am? And no be every day you go dey tell me say, help me pay my no, help me pay. You no even get money to shop.
My money wey you get, no be money you dey give.
You dey really crazy, so you know say that my house dey stay.
Sorry. No vex. See, as in children, we go benefit from a property. Go share and reach our side now.
You go benefit us.
Eh now.
You sure say with this thing you talk, it make brain so. Now so they be.
This life I did is not the one I did pray. This life I did. Now God they do not go. This life I did is not the one I did pray. This life I did. Now God they do not go. Sometimes they do like say na last bus stop. But mama must to find another way. Another way.
Is it done?
Yes, Auntie. Perfectly done.
Excellent. Efficiency is a virtue far too rare. Some people live in wealth, revel in wealth, swim in wealth, while others dream about wealth.
Hi. Barrister Moses will join you guys shortly.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. How did you do it?
You know, I'm like, you carry the cup like this, then you sip. And you drop biscuit.
What do you? What the cup too small now? I wanted to sip.
I leave her, Nana. Why you want to chop the cup? To say you know be my elder sister, and I know it's her for do you. I put the thing down if you know.
But when the barrister said they take, maybe come who said this, they come out.
No, they talk. See, rich people, please, no, they talk like that. I'm not so obeying. She don't tell you, say they come. Relax.
Who on earth let these people into my office?
Yes. About you. What else, sir?
Barrister, sir. Sir.
I was informed you two claim to be the daughters of the late Don Pedro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure to sit down, sir.
Go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
According to my PA's note, you discovered news of your father's passing through social media. Is that correct?
Bashiri, and our papa love us. Daddy, I love one God.
Daddy, why you leave your children for this life? Why you abandon us in this wicked world? Daddy.
Enough! If you are done with the theatrics, I will proceed, or else I will have both escorted out of my office.
Comport, sir.
Yes.
Very well then, let's proceed.
Susie, Susie, where you going? Come on, come lie on your blanket, Susie. Put it down there. Oh, Susie, come on. Come, baby, come, baby. Now, look at what you've done. You've loosened your bandana. Oh. Layla Adams Pedro speaking. What? What do you mean they've been found? By whom? What? Very well. I will be with you shortly.
Wow. Me, I'm not sure this Oga barrister. Some way they say he will call us for short time. You sure say they will give us this money, so?
They get choice.
Yeah. I don't know. All those things where they ask us say me we give our birth certificate and me we say our blood.
Not to know if our papa be our papa now. The guys do DNA.
How they say they do that one?
If they say they don't collect something for our papa body, you understand? To show say if they do them, they mix them. They go can't know whether na the I know they sha they get as they do and sha.
Sola.
What's up?
Sola, me I dey feel. You know say I no sleep last night.
Me wasting food my body. I swear if no be say I dey find work, I for still dey sleep by now. Emi omoro.
So now what if they arrest us? Lock us, throw away king for like.
I beg you, which can arrest us? Even if I don't read book complete, I know my rights. Which kind of arrest us? They want arrest us. Begging me.
Wait. Oh.
Now. Why you dey do like this now?
I need to shine my was in here. I'll bet you start with the Christmas game.
Yeah, they castle.
Wait on ma.
I didn't cure your credits here, man.
Share it with those bastards. The very thought of it is vulgar. He raised Ferdinand and Susie. I mean, they belong to our household. Yet he bequeaths 50% of his holdings to mere strangers, all because of an errant strand of DNA. Preposterous. 5%, 10%, something in that neighborhood, Barrister Moses, don't you think so?
Ferdinand is your nephew, ma. And, well, Susie is a cat.
Barrister Moses. Patronage is one thing. The law is another. You have a reputation for discretion. You know how palpable certain procedures can be when handled with finesse.
We don't alter wills, ma. That is not practice. It is fraud.
I am going to watch with interest how these newly minted heirs of his are going to lay claim to what is rightfully mine, all because they share a DNA with my late husband.
It is done.
Cheers to efficiency.
You no get sense. One single sense and it's not in your head. You dey boss inside person house. When you even when I open I see you, I even think say na action film set I dey. Ni sure me ni jere yin. Can you see shook you draw your inside comot. That you. I want to say don't pee.
Don't leave there.
Well done. Well done.
I don't mind vigilante for outside. They go wound you now.
Me leg go she. See, you take out to a bath. Ben Muso.
My sister beg.
My papa's not cuckoo there. And my mama definitely not fit boy you. Criminal.
I beg, I'll confess.
See as we mend them. We don't mend them. They shake. I never seen my way feel like that before.
I said one man I send them now. They give me number. They call the number. I know they go.
Yo, late now. We don't carry them go station after mending them. When the man come, he said we go collect follow come beating.
Busola, but wait. You know the reason this thing. Now organize work. This is not plan work.
I beg you. Them are doing it. We should organize work. You know when the robbers say na rob, they won't rob.
Rob, Ke. That's why they work for vigilante. I don't see robbers, I don't deal with them. Not be so those ones, their eyes, they be like, say, they don't even know how to take them reach there. They don't be robbers.
So you say person send them?
You see, Nana. Person they try and remove us from this we matter, babe.
Sure say this never pass our power like this.
Pass our power. See, if they want come, make they come first already. Ow! What's that?
Ọmọ mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tó sure, ọmọbìnrin, ọba ètò payé, ọba ètò payé, kò ní dáfẹ́ tí ò ní dá fún, ó ṣe ọmọ ìyá mi.
I know they like wahala, Seba. I know like Kasala, Seba.
Oh my goodness! Who are you? Wait, what's happening?
Shut up! No, shut up!
Oh my God! Help! Someone please help me!
Hey!
We're completing the paperwork. These things take time. Please let me go. My PA will call you tomorrow.
I bet shut up! How long it go take? Una collect our hair, our blood, our sweat. What do you want to do? Una want it for Richard, Abi?
No, of course not. It's for the DNA test.
Abegi, why can't it take time? Why does that ever come out?
It's out. It's for legal proceedings and processes.
What? They speak rubbish. You speak the way I feel understand.
No worry.
They talk.
Sister, no worry. I understand English. They listen to you.
Yes.
Abi, the grace. When you call me, say, oh, so me I not understand English. Now let's speak English.
I talk that one just now. I say I understand what you go to. I'll translate, give you.
No problem. Translator. As you go school, I don't go school. Swore.
See me see insecurities. Lawyer, I beg, they talk and they listen to you.
You really the crazy. Because I go beat you or your chop slap. You think you better pass me? You where they feed?
Which I do just the way you want beat me?
You really get crazy. You know how they feed you. No get respect.
I better pass you, no cap.
You better pass me.
Yes.
See this idiot. They don't sack you 5 years. They don't sack you for your work. I mean, what? Come on, punish you. Don't get respect.
Ladies. See. Please, let's stop. I might die of a heart attack now.
Talk with him. If you want, I may die. Because my sister, you think I don't
This cannot get respect. This cannot go.
Ladies, it is against the law to fight. It is unethical. Hello.
So this is the part that I was trying to show you the time, but you will not listen. So and he was.
You just have to keep it for later. No, you were stressing me. I can't see it right now. I've got things to do.
Me this.
Hey, come on, Ferdinand. I've told you I don't like to be stressed. This is my rest time.
Madam, there's something you need to see outside.
Oh my goodness. Fire her!
Ma, it's...
What in the blazes that's going on here? Who let this hooligans into my home?
Madam, that's what I was trying to tell you. I don't know how they get past the gate or into the house.
Ladies, I think... No, I think you have to leave, okay? You are trespassing, okay? I would have to call the police if you don't leave.
What on earth is really going on here? And what's that? What's that, Ferdinand? What's that?
Ma'am, they have every legal right to be here.
Oh, goodness.
They're your late husband's daughters.
No, don't say, oh, I'm choking.
Can you please take Madam upstairs and we settle this?
Oh my goodness.
Please take it easy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Hi guys. I see that you're already settling in nicely.
Who you be?
Lesson your driver.
Oh, driver. Hey, go help me bring our load for us. You take it.
Plenty. You go need them.
My name is Ferdinand and it's nice to meet you guys finally.
But who you be again?
Your late father's nephew-in-law.
That's Auntie Bimbo upstairs now. My nephew be this.
Oh, okay, but we're not related, Sha.
No.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Ferdinand. And my sister be this Osas. My senior sister. But now the same father, different mother. Now why she tall like man? See as I lay long.
Yeah. Delightful, Osas. If you don't mind, I would see to outside.
See to he's gonna bring our things for us.
Yeah.
You can have me. You're free.
I better spoil my fridge, oh.
No.
I beg. I know the fridge will care cost, oh. Darling.
When is that wear blue now? I bet food.
Hey, you! Why?
Auntie!
But you've got absolutely no right to bring them to my house. You've no right to give them the address of this house. I mean, what use do they serve being under the same roof with me? This is preposterous!
I'm sorry, Madam Leila, but it's clearly stated in the will that once Don Pedro's daughter are located, they must be moved into the family residence.
Okay, may I know why we are still clinging to the whims of a dead man? Pedro is gone, for crying out loud. Okay, I'm alive and I'm here. Does it not amount or count in the scheme of things?
Mad, I understand your frustration, but the will is binding. Our firm is simply following protocol.
Oh, good gracious, man. Who is that? Excuse me, I'm going to call you back later. Who is that? Yes. Tell me they are gone. Tell me they are gone. Well, you shake your head like an agama. Listen, I thought we resolved this whole thing. You assured me that you were going to take care of this thing now. What happened?
Auntie, I did. But those girls are not what you were expecting. They are brash, refined, they fight back. They even beat some of our men.
The what?
Auntie, don't you think we should follow the will? That might just even give us some time to think.
No. Are you listening to yourself? Auntie, we should give them some time to think. No! No way! I am not sharing. No! Yeah, I worked with Pedro for everything that we have here. Oh yes, he worked and did a whole lot, but as his wife, I did. So I am not sharing. Do you understand me? I am not sharing nothing with those miscreants, with those iguanas, with those meddling brats. Now you know what? You get him out of my house. I will not share. Do you understand me?
Auntie,
what?
I think you need to calm down.
Calm down?
You might just hurt yourself.
Oh, but you're already hurting me? Because you didn't do what you're supposed to do. Now you get him out of my house. Do you understand me? I am not sharing nothing with nobody. No! I will not share nothing. Do you understand me? Not with those miscreants, not with those iguanas. Do you understand me? I will share nothing. No way! Oh, I can't share, I don't share. I will not share. None. Barrister, I told you that I was going to call you back. I am not sharing. Do you understand? I will not share. No way. I'm not going to share nothing. Not a dime. None of my properties. Nothing. No way. I'm living for it. I will not share.
I know they like Walla. Zeba. Zeba. Oh, Zeba. I know like Kazala. Zeba. Zeba. Oh, Zeba. But if you bring us Zeba. 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 Oh, Zeba.
Jesus! Kenny! What's up with this? What's it be what? What's you rub for your face?
Now skincare, you know say as all those rich people they do. Now that kind of lifestyle one they live now. Millionaires tell.
I beg, you don't go sleep for this bed.
Why you go push like that? Now you want wood before I break my head in call. I don't like that kind of thing. Now the same money me you get, no they disrespect me like that again. You know they go safe.
So the come, wait, come first, come be.
What's happen?
See, when these people will take give us our money.
I know.
That lawyer, I don't trust her. The way they work like that. See, if you don't move their lawyer for neck, you know we'll start to the work.
Oh, no concern me. What they will do, no concern me. Me as I did, so I don't carry one leg enter. So, as the one sham could come me shall my go to me.
If you know this, I said the issue. Me, I don't agree.
Kill on share, and we don't talk, so we don't go chop until we know so they don't want to kill us. Why go talk that kind of thing?
Kill us. They don't feel poison us. They don't feel poison us. In fact, if we don't eat, we'll still there. All there and there. No go shop the poison. No better to die of poison for rich man that to die. No, they go.
Wait. Maybe do it like this. You go shop first. I will wait for 10 minutes. If nothing do you, the shop.
So they talk, you don't be like scarecrow. You're too scary. No, go find something. Come, nothing dey happen. Come, no trust me. Shouldn't be which kind of poison? No, they see where we dey deflate poison. They manage. Natural. I am good now. No, you supposed to go see with your face. They fear me. You know, sleeping. You must clean this face, so. This foot. No sense say they look your face. No sense you be like better person. I beg you. Back rubbish on your face. You be like Willy. No say you be like better person. Na skike.
You know why I tell you with confidence?
Why?
They might be poisoner.
You don't be positive food.
Poisoner, man. That freezer where it dey, that block where it block, all the poison will not come out.
So why even finish my food? How can you sleep with food?
What's happening?
Something pass me.
I beg you. Someone bite. I beg you.
Something dey buy person for billionaires.
Anyway, Joe. Hey!
You bet you.
Something touch me.
Yay! 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 Yay!
So go on that road.
What's happening? Catch up! Kill her! Which guy is slow?
And I don't wait first. Now the thing no dey stay one place. Cause Simba Jale, what you dey see? Huh? Meow. Meow. No be so you dey call her. Na lion you dey call.
Hey.
Meow.
Babe! Oh my God! Babe, you didn't pursue them like oh,
you two go now. Meow.
Meow.
Whiskey.
Whiskey.
Ah! Need I follow?
One. I love you.
Oh man. For my full life, I never sleep this kind of sleep before. Everywhere just clean, everywhere just soft. How only a wally man.
You do alright. Me we cat she chase me for dream. So they almost break leg.
Sure say no be that catch on yesterday cause I'm.
No, that you the reason now. Cat wey they chase me for dream, don't cause he chase me for my papa.
That's what they do. My pastor said talk am. Once they see say you want blue like this, you go materialize.
They go say we catch her.
He lock himself. I didn't pay my mini. Hot water straight, Miami Looney.
You don't start all this your mama talent. Now me will go drop her for outside. Me join your fellow wishes.
Hey babe, wait first. Now their security guard for me. He no even move. As you open gate, he no even move. He no even shake. He just dey snore.
That one was a banner. I know about finish. See, right now at the time when I need to show authority. I need to take my position, so say I don't have that. You there with me?
100 or more, yummy. We don't wait here, wait till our papa wife go talk.
Papa wife. With that?
You know, see that yellow woman for sitting room yesterday.
Oh my God. Yeah.
I don't like if you don't pedal get high. That woman fine. He no fine, don't pedal no fine, but in the take fine woman they breathe.
Na money na.
Na
money. See, me I go bath. Me I go slay my day 2 outfits.
I need to bath quick. Me too, I want bath because I get slay today. Because as you don't enter this compound, so the gas don't say don't pedal picking don't arrive.
What? And they go down.
In the shower.
And they cry that father.
How this beggy man they call my sister? You don't hear say you want blue, really she. And that one said no get sense. If you beg her now say make it take her by, you go collect her like MoneyGram. You know where you go? I better do quick, I want bath.
Susie. Oh, Susie, where are you? Susie. Susu, baby. Susie, Susu. Susie. Are you standing there picking up, you bloody nickapoo? And get back to your position. Bloody fools, have you seen Susie?
No, ma.
This is rather strange.
Should I check outside the house, ma?
Outside? Oh, good gracious me. Susie could never wander outside these walls. She's not a common stray. She's raised like royalty. She was raised within these walls. She cannot go outside. No way.
Perhaps she's hiding somewhere.
Get out of my sight! And you're just standing there like nickapoos.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma.
Go and look for her. Susie, I'm sorry. Are you upset with me wherever you are? That's why you're hiding? You want a new shawl? Okay, I'm going to change your shawl. You don't like the pink one again. All right, when I go to Paris and I'll get you another one. You know I don't get anything from Nigeria for you. Yes, please. You have to check everywhere. Listen, if you've got to comb the whole of Lagos State, do comb the whole of Lagos State. You just have to find her. Just search everywhere. Yeah.
Now our mama be this so we no get another one. Now our mama be this so Now our mama be this so we no get another one. Now our mama be this so Hey yo, that's our mama. The portion is something.
What is this? Enough!
Good morning, Male. My name is Osas and this is my younger sister. Ew.
I don't care what your bloody names are. Can't you read the room? I'm dealing with enough right now, so I can't continue to enjoy your childish theatrics and uncultured behavior on top of it.
Maybe our papa will be snatching and she will show you a picture. She could talk like that. They talk inside nose. Mommy. Ma'am, we're just trying to get acquainted with you. As you know, we're stepdaughters. You speak like she speaks. Oh, no. Okay.
That will be over my dead body before I'll acknowledge either of you. I'd rather swallow a live frog or eat raw fish. You know, if that ridiculous will had read differently, you both would not be able to sniff the entrance of this estate, not to talk about my house. Utterly detestable, meddlesome brats.
Thank you. Jalo. Huh? Jalo, they say you are meadows. Come.
You both are still standing there?
Wait till she dey talk. Why she dey talk like that for inside her nose? Huh?
Oh, Susie.
You don't mad? She dey crazy. You, she dey know. Na crazy.
Susie.
No. Kenny.
If this rich girl, baby girl lifestyle no fit to live am na show don ni. Abe wo dey ni gan. You wey dey dress like man all your life. You just wake up one morning one dey dress like woman. Impossible.
Abeli matter for Matthias.
Which matter for Matthias? Shey impossible make person become woman who wey dey wear butter and shorts.
See this one oh. No be because they work for transportation business before. When I tell you say my man like girls wey dey very sexy, girls wey sabi slay, wey dey do all these things, you pretend like say you no dey hear me.
Which man? So if they come and down want to go answer, person wey dey follow you because of the small change wey you get, I'll slap you.
I don't dey say and say I will beat you. What did they do you? Did they walk you?
Beat me. Sebi to back pa mi, ojú abo, e go remain only you and our papa wife wickedness full her body. Beat me. Pa me now.
Confess. Come. Abeg. What do you think about that woman say?
Wetin concern me concern her. No be three of us get property. Wetin concern me?
Property. No ladies property we get.
Oh, come in there, the lawyer go there and do that one. Maybe we talk matter with the crowd. I need us to throw ourselves welcome party. Big one. All those people we don't look down on us, we don't insult us, they go no say yes. We don't show. We don't arrive. We need dafu ya even.
Dafu, Clarky. But this last
Hey, oh, my father, I know you.
Ma go see they go. No say as they make effort. This effort and nika.
Which one make I use?
Hey, this dress though.
So come.
No say you light skin. Black go dey very popping.
Now this one I want with you. We
We
get sliver.
Yes, sliver, but the sliver no dey. You know say it don't be too rich. This one dey sophisticated. You look very, you know that they talk. No, they make you me take the catch cruise.
Liver.
You just or remember they go.
Auntie, what are the plans for these girls?
I've got no freaking plans for those hoodlums.
Auntie, they have half the share of the estates. Even they have a share in this house.
So what are you suggesting? That I befriend them?
I'm just thinking maybe we'll act fast. Like, very fast.
Like I did not do nothing. Like I didn't? You sent men to beat them up. But what happened? Okay, so what would you have me do? Because as it is, I am running out of civilized options.
Okay, Auntie. How about we try a different approach? Like, making them comfortable, loving them, you know, care for them, just make them feel...
You're insane. And you shove your option up your whatever you know that. Okay? Did you hear me? You shove it up your whatever.
Sorry, Auntie.
Now you know that I've not been joyful for a while. And you know what gives me joy. And what gives me joy has been missing. So I'm asking you, where is Susie? Have you found her?
No.
Have you found her and you are sitting on my chair? So what you doing on my seat? Go and look for her.
Sorry, Auntie.
You're becoming a big for nothing to think that I trained you and you've got no sense. Behaving like a nincompoop.
Àwọn tèmi ayé lọ lébùté mẹ́ta tẹ́ bá pẹ́ níta wọ́n kọ́ máa fún wa lẹ́gbẹ̀ta mẹ́ta pátá ó wà ta wá. Ẹ̀yin òyìnbó ẹ wá fún mi ní físà ìlú yìí sú mi. Ó yá come inside now ẹ dẹ̀ dúró síta.
Wetin dey sup?
Come inside now. You think they want you to do money ritual?
They never come finish.
They don't stand up. I don't know.
Why una tranda for gate? Wetin dey sup?
Osas. Busola.
Wait.
You sure say no carry us do ritual?
By the time you take do ritual, no be cowrie go come out. Rub shoulder with the higher mind. We are rich, girl. We are rich, girl.
Which rich? Which rich never pay my 1 million naira? Look, I tell you. If I find out, say na my blood, you won't use do money, I swear to God, you no go rest.
Can't talk with this one when you dey talk. I thought when I said now my papa get this house, what be the pity?
Who call him?
Be your friend. My baby. My mom.
This place.
Sit down.
I will sit down.
Then you know say, why you do this face like this now? You don't dey ask me say, where this is, where this is, this I dey. My papa ass.
Wait. You sure say my papa asked with this?
You know me say I know dey lie now. We don't date how many months now. You're right on time. Why I would lie to you?
Yes.
No, relax. No, later I'll give you ass tour. I won't just go break up. So the people never enter finish.
What's it concern me? Make they dey outside now. We will carry boss. Say make they go bring our friends from churches, make we party. The day they jealous finish, they stay outside. Make they die outside.
They dey fear.
What's it concern me? Wetin they think?
They didn't want to say to Richard. Make boss carry them go back.
Boss carry waiting. That boss will go back empty. They go trek.
I no do like that.
Worry.
Get money. Make boss carry them.
Brother. You know you touch that kind of thing for rich man house. Yes, me.
Layla Adams Pedro. You need a holiday in one of the best vacation spot in the world. Maybe Côte d'Azur. Or maybe I should go to Maldives. Look at me, I'm looking so stressed out. I'm beginning to have stress life. Can't afford to mess up our beautiful, lovely face and body. My goodness. Oh, Susie, I miss you. I'm missing Susie. If you were around, you would have heard me back to life. You would play. Listen. Susie, is that you? Susie? Oh my goodness. Susie, don't play games. Oh, I missed you, Susie. Come to mommy. Oh my goodness! What in the honey? Oh, no! Hey, Susie.
Maybe enjoy my life. Those who say they'll go trenches. Me they did that.
Me na enjoy, me na rub
Cheers,
baby.
baby.
High and mighty. May your luck change.
Cheers.
I beg. Maybe my 1 million naira first.
I bet
my
you
luck
don't
I tell you, I see your blood. Let me first. Let me first.
1 million, 1 million, 1 million.
Take my one blood. Take one. Relax your destiny.
You like her? He nice. I know. That's so rich men they drink.
Oh my goodness!
Mommy!
Touch me! What are you trying to do?
Baby, okay.
Trying to touch me with your poverty-stricken hand.
I dey try help you. I don't know if baby look at you help me for me.
They go outside.
I want help you me.
They go outside.
See, Vam, we know. Eh?
Never talk.
Now you all listen. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you turn my house, my home into a circus? This is not a motor park. This is my husband's legacy. That's my peace, my home. Now, everybody, you, out!
Hey, sit down for waiting.
Exactly,
for what?
Waiting, kilo shele.
See, I tell you, this lady, as you get this ass, now so we too get this ass.
Oh no.
Not to say if it's your grandma and this your talk under your nose, they chase us come up for you. You know if you talk to my friends like that, I understand saying go me okay do something. If fine, I'll take that one, but don't talk to my friends like that. What rubbish with this? Yeah.
Now you're going to pay for this insolence, trust me.
No one, if you like, call police, call lawyer, call anybody you want to call. It no matter.
Or retreat, no surrender.
All this rubbish. You want to talk to my friends and you don't get regard for us.
Yeah? Okay. Now the battle line is drawn. You will see. You done it. I'm a queen in my house and you want to make me a maid. It's not gonna happen. I'm a queen in the house. I'm not a maid.
Nothing you want to know. This woman to sniff something.
Let's say look at better.
Give me look at if it better, but they ask worse than me. Okay, me look at this same about this one. This one out in London.
Nah, mama.
Nah, mama, nah you call her me.
I love the way fire come out.
See, my mama tell you something. Once you don't enter this millionaire lifestyle, you can't realize that you need to stand up for it. You need to talk. Don't mash you.
Now, so I will make my daughter day. My fucking come out like that, you go look anybody for face, you go tell her. Yes? Now my mama be this.
That's what I just nice to just steal for you.
Pink. Hey.
I think that's working.
Now yeah, they like.
Beg, who want this music again?
That's what they dance now. No, be so I didn't try to take for you. Busola, I be call driver. Me they carry me look go traces. I no want wahala.
The boss don't go now. He go check which house.
If anything happen to me lucky, no say they already thought say we dey do rituals.
I mean they use and do ritual now. Won't tell me.
Ritual.
No, we know the stuff.
But then if they use you do ritual, nothing will happen. Oh where you know my dad or no.
You talk to my mom. Look at this. You want us to anything will come, you can talk.
Yes. So you mean say young Busola get that kind plenty money?
Yes, ma. Our papa put us for a week. See, and we just dey suffer since. Thank God, say Busola last year for new say talk back.
So now when I don't turn millionaire, what be the next plan?
I don't know. We just dey observe the area.
Observe. Your she uncle?
My she.
No. You're supposed to talk to the lawyer now. Make out to your own share. Make you use establish. You know, say you need to establish so that when I want to marry you, everything will just stay maram.
Baby, you want to marry me?
Yes, no. Don't want an argument.
Don't true. Thank you, baby. I love you.
See, I don't already tell my people about yourself.
He don't go, he's going.
You don't go already. So, but you know, say we don't need money to settle down now.
True. Baby, no man. Baby, no man.
You see why they tell you say we need to establish.
What did they do? Can't now? Baby, no go, I beg. No go, come, no go. Baby, I beg, no go. That this girl na spoiler lot. Shege. Come, I never even touch you finish the way I want to touch you, Shege.
Which side you set Yansh?
Oh.
Wait, make I not spread it. You know the atrocity where you don't commit for the bed. Which side is? Hey, we don't wash it.
What did they do you?
Wait, no.
Leave Bella, she's supposed to be crazy.
I beg you.
So you don't spoil my roast. Like your body don't calm down. Man, baby.
Auntie, are you okay?
Do I look okay to you? Ferdinand, in all the years that you've known me, have I ever looked this wretched to you?
No, Auntie, never.
And look at you, dumb. You can't even massage my feet. Now get off. I can do the work. You can't even massage the pressure points. All these incompetent things everywhere. And to you, Ferdinand, don't insult my intelligence. I am not okay. I can't be okay. I cannot be okay without Susie. You know, Susie is my joy giver. She's not anywhere around. I've not seen her in days. And you ask me if I'm okay. How can I be okay without Susie?
Bro, Auntie, I understand. But she'll be fine soon. She's coming back home. Yes, she is.
Where in heaven did you see Susie? Where's she? Can I see her right now?
I can't say right now because it might break your heart. But she's coming back home. She's receiving treatment right away. And she's, she'll be back home healthy.
Wait, does she have a cut?
No.
Is her fur dirty?
No.
Her nails, are they overgrown?
No.
Oh, goodness me. Oh, Susie. What a frightful ordeal that Susie must have gone through. Oh, she must be dirty and hungry. Oh, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have let you out of my sight. I promise, okay? I'm never going to let you out of my sight again. Oh, but you know what? I'm trying to fathom. How did she even leave the house? How did she get out of the estate? How did she... You've got to sack that incompetent security guard. Yes. You've got to sack him.
Yes, Auntie, he has been replaced.
Good. You know that I'm hot from the weighty problem of Susie. I've got another weighty problem.
You mean the...
Yeah, those miscreants. Those meddling brats, those nincompoops, they need to leave my compound. Those iguanas, I want them out of my estate. I don't want to see them anymore. Get them out of my house. Ever since they got into my house, I've lost my cool, and now it's affecting my mental health. Oh, now you see, ever since they came into the house, and they're meddling with everything around here, I've got pimple. Now you see, stress lines. Do you see people in my face? All because they came here. Have you ever seen people in my face? Because I treat myself with the best of the product. I want him out. You know what? Oh my God, I don't need him around here. I need him to get out of my house. I mean, my mental health is affected. You know what? I need to go and buy stuff for myself. I need to go get some designer. Maybe I will come down since Susie's not anywhere around at the moment. Oh my goodness. I want him out of my house. They're meddling with my mental health.
Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because of my beauty. Whoa, whoa. I will not mind them. I will not mind them. I will not mind them because they don't have sense.
You be fool.
So you times 10 times 50.
You dey crazy. If you talk to me like that, who punch your face?
Mommy, you no fear like mommy again, no. Na millionaire you be, na millionaire. Kenny, na millionaire I be too. For the bon shileku. Long.
See this idiot. You dey jealous me because I get man. See you with all your wasted jealousy shape. Everything pempe, you no still get man.
Mommy, if na Segun remain for this life as man, I no want marry. Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Má jẹ́ kí n fẹ́ lórí burúkú. Má jẹ́ kí n fẹ́ wèrè. Which idiot?
Shege, you don't even shege spec. You dey
Mommy, keep your pride.
You dey Chris.
Ladies, daughters, stop it.
Mama, welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you. I see that you both still have lots of things to learn. Firstly, I want to apologize to you both.
Apologize, Bao.
Now wait.
Why don't we go to the dining and then we can talk all about it. Yeah, come.
I said, Chris, sit down. I be your mate.
Okay. Mame.
You know that you use the fork. You know.
I better go with your tongue.
So ladies, I think we need to get to know ourselves better.
My name is Busola. I work in a canteen.
Nale! Mr. Dirty canteen with those sacrifices. I think Nale. He know they work for anything. He dey squat for my ass.
Who be this now? I talk to you.
Oh, ladies, one at a time, okay?
My name now, Osasua. If you call me Osas, well, no, call me Sasko for short.
I know that we started on a rough patch, initially. I'm ready to sheath my sword. So that we can start on a good, ground. What do you say?
Yes, ma.
Since you both are my stepdaughters, you're going to be perceived as my children.
My mama don't die, so if you collect that position.
We full ground, can they go? We are your children. Mama Kuku don't there.
This is so heartwarming. Okay, so, can I ask, what's your schedule for tomorrow?
If we didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Mother, since we don't turn millionaire, we not get work. Now as we dey stay, we not get anything to do.
Oh, good. Can I borrow you for tomorrow?
Mother, you can borrow my life forever. I'm sure you borrow me for tomorrow.
Why yours forevermore? For life.
I'm so sorry. There's no, that I'm shouting, but this mate, sometimes they just get on your nerves.
Yeah, mate. Oh, I know. I hate me.
Bimbo!
Oh, no. Waiting be my own. Now me own. Oh. I become a die for my own. My own. My own. Nana my own. Nana my own. Waiting be my own. Now me own. Oh, I become a die for my own. My own. Nana my own.
We done. I want more no. We done like that. We done like that. Mommy for president. Mommy for president. You go to start. Mommy. Thank you, mommy. Hey, I'm gonna go.
Oh, no. Waiting be my own. Now me own. Oh. I become a die for my own. My own. My own. Nana my own. Nana my own. Waiting be my own. Now me own. Oh, I become a die for my own. My own. Nana my own. die for my share. I beg you, you know come out your eye. You go collect oh. Hele 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 oh 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 oh. If you show me love, I go show you love. If you show me love, I go show you salt. Come my body for my matter. Me and you no be a man matter.
Don't say we just debond. I know if you ask my that kind of question now.
So you know if you ask them for your share. For how long you do? I be no say na from club 9 they take enter dance.
They don't fit carry my money go. Na family we be say. Na my family members na.
Listen to me, Osas. I don't see say you don't want to make our marriage work now.
Keke, why you go talk that kind of thing now?
No. Forget about us. As far as say you know if you collect your money, this marriage no.
Hello, Shegun. Shege! Shege!
Osas! You don't believe what happened. You don't believe what happened to me just now. I'm debt free. Osas, I'm debt free. Now someone like carry phone. Mommy carry phone, wire 1 million give Titi. But say me. It sweet me die. It sweet me.
Come.
Eh?
Where my lady?
Mommy dey enter room. She enter room. What happen?
I won't go ask my for my own inheritance.
Sure. Why now?
I don't go ask her for my money.
Oshiara Tamarayo. Rede. Debt free. I can slap anybody leti. I can slap anybody.
What? You mean they're already asking for their inheritance now?
Just one of them. The one called or something?
Osas.
Yeah, that one with the big balls and legs, whatever.
That's not the plan. The plan was to gain their trust and make them sign the power of attorney to you so they can give you the 50%, their own 50% to you.
Exactly my point. Then why is she suddenly asking for her own share? That will bring my own portion down to 75%. And that is unacceptable.
That's not good. That's not good at all.
Ferdinand.
Auntie.
You know you're all that I have. And everything that I have will one day become all yours. And that is if we protect it. We've got a chance to multiply this wealth 1,000-fold. We cannot afford to lose a dime. You understand?
Understood, Auntie. I will work on that.
Good, Ferdinand. You'll handle it.
Yes, I will.
And this time, no mistakes.
Yes, Auntie.
What did I say?
No mistakes.
No mistakes. Repeat after me.
No mistakes.
No mistakes.
Yeah, Auntie.
Good boy.
Where they go this game? Dates. You get boyfriend? I shall like you.
Might be a shower, but no cost me. You be millionaire, No, they don't show that for me, I beg.
I beg, don't do. Before you call the talk, you know say you don't get respect.
I see a bono. The one way they talk this sweet. You know to say this your inheritance plan na bad plan.
Wait. Think for your brain. Since we don't call this house, we dey shop good food, we dey wear good clothes. You don't ever see money for your account.
Yeah, I believe the mommy know best.
Yeah, mommy know best. Uncle. See, if you no meant say money no dey your account, me, as I dey, I cash and carry I want. Dey here.
Cash and carry, you go carry all the cash, go give your mumu boyfriend.
Now your boyfriends, let me now go punish you and all those your mumu boyfriend.
I don't agree.
See, when you go this your date, heartbreak, now go fire you. Or go kill you on your date.
Wow. blame.
Mokuku will blame to you too. Say to you. When you want disrespect to you, cause switch dialect.
Boosie. Can I call you Boosie?
Yes. Yes, please.
You know, you're different from your sister. I mean, I don't know how to say it, but like, you be like you're part of us somehow.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, my auntie sees that, but she's not allowed to show emotions. You know what I'm saying? But you know, a man always knows when it's struck gold.
Stop, Joe.
Really? Okay. So tell me, what's your plans for your inheritance?
I don't know. To be truthful. I'll just leave everything in mommy's hands so that she can handle it by herself. I just think that that's the best thing to do.
Yeah, you're right. You know, she's been with your father for a while now. And she knows the best way to move with the business. And the business is, I mean, she knows how to move the business forward.
Exactly. Me, I trust her. I trust her.
Good girl. So, you have coffee or you want to have fun tonight?
I don't have coffee.
Oh, yeah?
I don't have coffee.
Oh. Great.
Where you dey since?
Really, I don't think I won't sleep.
Now that your stupid date you follow go club.
Really, I won't sleep.
Wait, not that stupid boy when you go date, then you go club with.
What's happened now? Person no fit sleep again for this house.
I bet wake up, I want to talk to you.
Oh, Ọlọ́run ọba, Ọlọ́run ṣàánú mi o.
Busola, wake up, I want to talk to you. It's important. I called lawyer this morning.
So?
I tell her say I want my own share of the weight. He said it's possible.
I would love us to take things further. But listen, there's no need to take your inheritance now. It's still yours, right? You should talk to your sister to do the same. What do you say?
Wetin make you wan collect your inheritance? You wan destroy your life, abi?
Wetin dey work you? But you know say between me and you, na me sabi handle money and na me get brain for business.
Now you get brain for business pass, but now you your hand dey leak pass. Where you carry your money give your boyfriend? You won't carry your money go give Segun, abi?
Wetin dey even dey do you? You no go focus on na I talk. Focus on the matter wey dey grand. Me, I don't think I'll go meet my lieutenant and say I want my share of the weight. Now I'll do.
Go, I know they go anywhere. Are they already established for you? I know they go anywhere.
No wahala. If you want stay here, you fit stay here. Since you don't dey established, you fit dey established for here. Me, I'll go collect my share and I'll come on. You can never dey established. They work you.
I'm not going to look you, may you destroy your life. Whether you like it or not, you no go destroy them.
I hope you understand the terms behind this.
Oga Barrister, you too talk. I better bring document when you sign.
Why you dey rush like this? You no go allow Barrister explain this thing to us.
Okay. You don't know what we come here for.
Yep.
You go sign and you no go sign.
Oh, sign.
Sign your side. You can sign my own.
Please, this side. Yes.
This side.
You first.
Not tear the paper now.
Okay, and you?
Sign.
So we should do the sign. As a man sign.
John, don't sign quick.
Okay.
Nice. You want some?
Mommy, you say you're calling us.
Yes, I did. I love fresh orange juice. I just wanted to make something very clear to you both. This will be the last time I will endure you call me that ridiculous name.
I give you 2 hours to pack your things and leave this house.
Say it. Yeah, okay now, we'll pack our things. We don't go collect our share of the inheritance. When the money enter our account?
Hey, what's going on? What happened?
Babe. Babe. He's the audacity for me. How dare you call me such name?
Yeah.
Wait, do you think I could be with somebody like you?
Mogbe. What's it down? Ferdinand ti lù mí jìbìtì. Ferdinand, don't torí Ọlọ́run, please, I beg you, don't look me tell me say you don't do me for one night. Mo kú.
It's as easy as I thought.
Mo dáràn.
Wetin man dey talk? Abeg explain to me.
Well, I have the power of attorney to my husband's estate. To every dime, property, and share. But you two iguanas thought you can waltz into my world and scuttle everything? Oh. Can I share a little secret with you both?
Secret?
Come closer. Do you know that when your late father, my late husband, tried to find you girls, I, Layla Adams Pedro, frustrated his efforts. And now he's dead. You both think you deserve anything? You deserve nothing.
Wetin man dey talk?
Beg, forgive me.
Forgive you for waiting now.
The document where we go sign for lawyer office. Don't be to collect our share of the property. Na to give Male full control over everything.
Wait! Wait!
Night! No. Listen, I've had enough of the bullshit. Enough of the melodrama. I'm giving you both 2 hours to get out of my estate. 2 hours.
Busola don't keep me! Busola don't keep me!
Now we get the property. Don't be saying that man like go give finance say I beg.
How you go to this guy thing? You don't get me! You don't get me!
Ferdinand, I will ensure that they leave my estate in 2 hours and tell the security I do not want to see these iguanas around my estate ever again. Good? So get on with it.
Yes, just go. Go. Go pack your stuff. Go. Can you just go?
Back! Yes!
I'm
I beg. No pursue me. I beg. No just me come out. I don't get where I go. I don't know where to enter me. I beg. I don't get where I go. I don't know where to enter me. Be like saying I'll go and you just enter me. I beg. No chase me.
Even if I chase you, go chase anything.
God. But that Madam Lila must pay. That woman must to pay. Okay, relationship.
See, I could tell Shegun. God. See, I could tell my man.
Now because of Shegun, you want to collect money.
We're supposed to use the money to establish now.
No, but like that one, I know would get what I do. But man, go buy water. Be like say kerosene still this stuff. You will lose.
This girl they really decrease. She really met. And they don't go waka like scarecrow. I don't know which kind of stepsister person go carry. People they carry Jenna. You reach my car. I carry Togo. God, I beg. Answer my prayer, I beg. My man understand me, I beg. My establishment, don't go down the drain. Hey, you wait for you. This you see me. I talk with someone no they answer my call, no they pick anything. No fit scatter my relationship.
You don't get happy? Me, I surprised myself. I can't think say, waiting.
Shegun, wetin dey occur for you? Why you and Titi dey do lovey-dovey?
What you dey do for you?
I don't understand. I be your woman. I come here to discuss money matter.
My woman. See this one where they manage. I beg. Come on for road, man.
Shegun, after everything I don't do for you, they tell me say they manage me.
I beg. What you do for them? She not the money where when you set to and where you go lost. Now they talk about a big which one. I beg.
Come on your hand for my shirt.
I beg.
No come on my hand for your shirt. You be my man.
See. Shegun, now my husband. You see him? Now 6 months ago we do our court marriage. I beg.
You no get money. See, you no gum you. 70 Pro Max will come out. You no buy am for your man. That one a woman. See my baby here now. My money spender. Only one call, she don't pick. She don't show workings. I beg, oh, no cost for my own now.
Shegun.
Yeah, I'm practically ready. Well, I'm thinking about changing my hair. I don't know. Sometimes the afro just... I could leave like right away. You did not knock.
Do I need to?
Ferdinand. Yes, you're my nephew, but there are boundaries.
Sit down, Lila.
Did you just call me by my first name?
Like you know the year was. Sit the fuck down!
What's this about, Ferdinand?
Money. It's obvious money.
Money? Okay. Okay. You practically know everything about me. The gold, the pearls, the rubies, everything is in the wardrobe. I can give you the number.
You call that money? You call that money? You think that's what I want? No. I want everything. Every single dime. The inheritance and every title. That's all I want.
Ferdinand, you know that everything that I have is yours. My fortune is yours. You know that, right?
What? I should be waiting for you when you're 50, 59, 60? Nah, I don't have that time. I want it now. Now.
So are you going to kill me?
No. But I killed Susie.
What?
Well, I rescued her from the vet first, and on our way back home, I snuffed the living daylight out of that piece of shit.
Oh, no! You did it!
I can't share my inheritance with a cat. A cat, Olongbo? Come on!
You've got a black cat!
I'm glad. I'm glad that you know that your greed made work easy for me. I mean, you gained control over the girls and control over you now, right? Move this way. That's it. How you feel?
Ferdinand.
What?
You know that if you kill me, the police, the authorities, they will find you and you will not be able to get a dime.
You think I'm stupid? No, do you think I'm stupid? Come on! You're asthmatic, it's easy. I'll just save my bullet. Yeah, that's it. But you know what? Just move.
Somebody help me! Anybody help me!
Shut the f up and move!
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Somebody, anybody help me!
Look, nobody can hear you. Nobody can. I employed all your stars, remember? That was your first mistake. So shut up!
Somebody help me!
If you don't shut up right now, I would burn this house with you in it. So move.
You've gone crazy. Somebody help me!
Move your black face!
Help me! Help me! Taking me where I don't know.
Bleach, motherfucker!
Move! Somebody help me!
Just go. Open.
Oh my! What's going on?
Open, please.
Ferdinand. Oh my goodness. You got it all planned out.
Oh no, not yet. Hold on. Just hold on.
Ferdinand, you know I can't stand close places.
Like this.
Ferdinand.
What's this?
Please.
Not
Ferdinand, you can have all the money, please. Just spend my life.
Open.
You know I can't stay in a close place for 2
Open it now!
The place is where my shoes! You know my shoes is good!
Sit down!
You know I can stay in a closed environment. Because of my asthma. I hate closed environment. My shoes. My shoes are Gucci. You're gonna mess it up. Stop my legs. Oh my God. I just made this cloth. You know they just delivered it. Ferdinand, you can't do this to me. I'm your aunt. We're supposed to be family.
Family.
Ferdinand, it's time for me to take my nap. Somebody help me!
We'll be fool. We'll be big fool. If you be fool, I not be fool. No, you say reason now. Say I will just blow everything. Me self, na me be big fool pass. Na my own fool even big pass anything because na mumu again na. Small thing, you don't fall in love. We are happy and way. I know better pass you. We carry all your money go give married man. They work. You know be. I know say married. No be yesterday. I know say I married man. See why you supposed to throw a salute for my side.
If I not do it, I do. I want to know say that you dey sponsor this person. She go and Titi go Canada. See, person when never see me Tala Mohammed, they sponsor couple go Canada.
It's funny really because I never even reach airport for my life. So imagine when they will reach Canada, the got say who spot that was I was who bring you come the call say na
Sponsorship.
You know better for Shegwa.
You don't feel better for her. You don't feel better for two of them.
Ha. But come on. What you go to Nana? How we collect now our pet right with this? How we collect this money?
You know if you collect anything, they don't enter voice but menu kurumbe. Money where we take dash Madam Lila. Beg go. Don't dash and what's loan here.
Ah, see. I thought they used to enjoyment, the soft life. I'm not sure how I start Keke again.
Your own better. Me come. I could start all over again to find man.
Come, follow me.
Where they go?
See, I know I no go school, I don't know book, I don't know English, all those things. But you see, when it comes to power, I get power. If those people don't want to give us our birthright, I'll use blow, I'll blow their teeth come on. I tell you. Oh yeah, they go.
Me leg boshi. My sister.
After they speak this, your person know to the first person.
Wale mama. Omo gboro. Eyan side on P. Oshe.
Iyo saloba. So you don't do. I bet we don't go make report before you collect the money. No, they go.
That is this strange.
The reason you know, everywhere you all lock.
Don't get mad for this side.
Big man, they open like this. Wait, oh.
No, don't check.
Okay.
I bet this dog they pay person for hand. I notice a person did this house so.
Reason amo.
They don't lock the door.
Me I must enter, even if not to teach something. We must enter this house.
Nah. Hey, they there. After all, our house too. And what did they call her? She no fit give anything to police. We enter house, she locked door. We enter our house by ourselves. No be breaking.
You see that time when we did that back door.
Yeah.
Because I said that they use small lock. I feel open now.
You fit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Move past it. Please, sir. Now that's time. Sorry.
As shoe, bag, socks, everything, even go. I go sell
now. I go sell everything.
Why everywhere empty?
I know why everywhere empty. I don't want to come.
Where she don't carry me, I go find.
Wait.
Happen now.
Wait. So what is they fishing now?
Waiting they fishing. I bet you don't.
Wait, come me. You see, Madam Milano, they everywhere just they blank, everywhere they quiet. So what is they fishing? No, they leave things like this.
Okay, she don't travel. Maybe we thief the woman before she come back.
Wait. Just wait. May I check something? I know why. Wait, just wait.
If she don't travel, because she be a person who travel, they carry on the lobby like working in Eucharia. You know they go.
Busola.
Waiting.
I see Madam Lila fall for bed.
She forget I'm not here. Why can't they do a show thing?
No, Busola, I thought it take on. Madam Lila no do like it. You know how she be.
I don't know how she be. You tell me she did this house. Where she won't come in and whoa, baba. Why did you bathroom? She not there.
Are you tired?
Which kind of load be? Me will check inside bathroom.
Yeah, no.
Hey! Mommy!
Male! She not die.
Just do. Call police. Call police. Mommy, you're awake. Sorry, Madam Lila, you're awake. I bring food for you.
Yes, so Bukola cook fire. Taste and see, Male. You love this food. Thank you.
can I tell you both how sorry I am for all I did to you both?
No worry.
I am so sorry.
Mommy, nothing. Madam, nothing, darling. No, darling. Smooth.
I want to say that I'm so sorry that I tried to deny you both of what rightfully belongs to you people. I robbed you both of what rightfully belongs to you. I am ashamed of myself. How could I have done that?
Male, no worries. All our life, now poverty, because now every day stay sleep. We know, we day used to, and we never feel like that. It's like normal thing. No worry.
Waiting us out, stop now, true. We don't get money like that. Oh, do wow, we pay no so, but we know to get money like that before, so you know to shake us. And even on top of that, Babanja Bitika Kuko now.
I could have despised such sweet souls.
Why you be?
Do you know, the doctor said that if you both didn't come when you did, it would have been another story.
I need to bury people.
How could I not have seen it? Because of greed.
Mommy, I see they cry, they make me emotional.
I'm so sorry.
Mommy.
Come here. Come and sit on my leg. Come here.
Mommy.
No, sit on my leg. No, sit. No, I am. Come, sit on my leg.
Wait till me, my own. I make come on time for my own.
I will cry. I'm crying for joy.
Nana my own, no. Nana my own, no. Wait till me, my own.
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. Please, Auntie. Just forgive me, please. I'm sorry. It was the devil's work.
I know. You know that if I hadn't installed a CCTV in my home, I would have nothing to prove that you tried to kill me.
Auntie, I swear with everything that I have. It was the devil. Like, he was right in front of me. No, well, it was the devil, sir. Auntie, please, just forgive me. I swear to God I will not do it again. Please let me beg her now.
Keep quiet! Surely you will not do it again. You know, I had to ask the police to bring you back to my home so that you have a final look one more time. And so that I also will have you look into my eyes and I look into your eyes. To think that you're my own blood. And just like Brutus, you decided to stab me in the back.
Please. Okay, let's do it like this.
Good.
If you leave me today, you will never see me again in your life. I will go away. I will go far away from you. You will never again see me, I swear. Please help me beg her, please. This one time I will go. You will not see me again, Auntie.
Ferdinand, do you know you're prophetic? You're prophetic. You can see. You know, not only are you not going to see me again, I am going to ensure that you will not see daylight again. You will not see daylight again. Officers, he's still looking so clean. You didn't beat him enough.
Auntie, now.
Yes, you need to badger this idiot.
No, auntie, please now. Stop.
Take
Wait.
him
Just
back.
wait. Auntie, these people that will not release me. Please, auntie, please. Auntie, I'm begging you.
Don't you
auntie, I'm begging you.
Me?
Auntie, please.
If
auntie,
you
please.
touch me.
I'll bite you now. You gonna leave me? Auntie, please now. Auntie, please now. Leave me to make I beg you. Auntie, it's me, oh. Auntie, it's me. Auntie, please, it's me now. Auntie, now. Auntie, it's Fredland though. Auntie, now.
Oh my God. I don't know. I'm so excited. From henceforth, we are going to live as mother and daughters. And I have released your inheritance, so you can both do as you please with it.
No, Maleola.
Mommy, because she go carry and give man.
I be the case. Come on. The case. They don't get
No, you can do that. You can do that. Oh my goodness. Come here. Oh, I just love you both. Come on, I want to miss. I'm so excited. Oh, come here. Oh my goodness. How could I have missed this joy? You know what? We're going to go shopping. Yes. And then, apart from that, you are going to go back to school.
I read books, and she no go.
No, you read more book. You read book.
But I don't speak Fiji.
Wait. You both know about clockers? Clockers!